Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download and install Dex Trade application on your iOS device. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. First of all, open your App Store and then go to the search box and then type in Dex Trade. Look for this Dex Trade application, which looks like this. It is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers trading services for various digital assets. Simply tap the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. On your Android, you can tap on the Install button to begin downloading the app, and soon after you do that, you will be able to download and install Dex Trade within a few minutes. Tap on the Open button once it is done, and there you have it. You can now start creating a new account for Dex Trade, deposit funds, begin trading, and also when you are ready, you can withdraw your funds to an external wallet. So that is how you easily get the Dex Trade application installed on your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.